So,
The cat
yeah.
wants to join our conversation.
I heard the squeak. That's so cute. What's she doing? Just,
She's got off now. But she's thinking about jumping up. Yeah, here it comes. Yeah, I reckon she'll come into view in a minute. Here we go.
oh, hello, puss.
She wants to join you.
Oh, isn't she gorgeous? Hello, kitten.
It's like, don't leave me out of it. Oh, look, she's getting eaten by the. Yeah, there we go. I was going to say the ale things hiding it. The background. Hello, Miss Tori.
Tori. She's very sweet.
Yeah. She's really old now. She must I can't remember whether she's 18 or 19.
Oh, that's pretty good. Mum
Yeah.
had one live to about 21 years old.
Yeah.
So,
Yes, she's been around for a long time.